Maayong buntag, mga silingan. Tara, uban ni kuninyo, magsuroy na sadta dinhi sa mga dalan sa syudad kung saan dito ang aking kinalakihan. Dito sa lugar na puno ng kasayahan at makikinang na mga halaman, I'm your host for today, DJ Ann at your service. The Luneta Park in downtown Surigao City is one of the main parks within the area, situated just across San Nicolas de Tolentino Cathedral. It showcases a statue of Dr. Jose Rizal, a central gazebo perfect for relaxation, and a one town, one product shop where they sell different souvenirs and food items. The Luneta Park in downtown Surigao City is one of the main parks within the area. Ug ang syagit na mga Surigaonon, manlag na ta sa Luneta.